Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Thursday, January 13th. Today I am actually not here. I'm in Sanford setting up our booth at the Quilting and Fiber Arts Marketplace. So we did record this early because we finally got these beautiful Hoffman batiks in stock. These are the batiks used to make the light as a feather quilt back there behind me, which we will go look at in detail before the video is over. But I just wanted to share them with you. They're really beautiful. And I love the texture and kind of depth of color in batik solids. So these are the actual batiks that are used in the quilt back there behind me. We got a sample early kit that I used to create that quilt back there. And we've been taking pre-orders for a couple of months now. But now that the fabric is here, we will be fulfilling the pre-orders, and we'll also be making kits to take with us to Sanford on Friday and Saturday. And we'll also have a handful of kits here in the store as well. So if you enjoy piecing and you really like the look of light as a feather, you're going to want to grab some of this. And if you really just like these batiks for themselves, they will be available for sale later next week after all of the kits have been cut. So we will be preparing for that as well. Got four more colors to share with you. Hoffman does a very good job of providing lots and lots and lots of options when it comes to batik solids. There's one more. Speaking of Hoffman, they were the company that provided our custom-made otter fabric, and now I'm actually working with them to create a new custom fabric for our next challenge. This color is called Tortilla. I just think it's so much fun. So we have two of Tortilla because that is the background for the quilt. Now, if you'll come with me around this way, we will look at the quilt. This quilt is designed by Wendy Shepherd, and the kit's going to include the pattern and fabrics for the top and binding. The finished size is 77 inches by 80 inches, and you can take a big look at that. We've got 10 feathers and then a whole bunch of the little churn dash blocks to go around. I guess it's a churn dash variation. And then our long arm quilting team expertly quilted this with some beautiful feather designs. Like I said, the quilt is pretty large, 77 by 80, and it was a lot of fun to piece. So I would definitely recommend that anybody who's interested in something that looks like this, grab one of those kits. And I would definitely recommend that you pre-order the kits to be sure that we have enough, because we don't have a whole lot of fabric to make kits with for this particular quilt. That's what I have for you today. I hope very much that I'll see you either tomorrow or Saturday in Sanford. And if I do, be sure to say hi. We have some coupons that are going to be available at our booth. So even if you are a local and loyal customer of ours, be sure to come by just to grab the coupon sheet, if nothing else. I hope you have a great weekend. Stay warm, stay dry, and we'll see you back here at the show, actually from the show tomorrow. Bye.